Hello and welcome to AD Vlogs. In this video I will show you how to replace the lens cover or the lens cap of GoPro Hero 7 Black. Now GoPro Hero 7 comes with this unique feature which was also there in GoPro Hero 6 but not available on GoPro Hero 8 as far as I know, that the lens cap cannot be replaced. Now action cameras, as you must know, that they are supposed to be used in conditions where they might face the odd impact which might just damage the lens. And so here in GoPro Hero 7 the actual lens is not this one, it's inside the circular thing, and on top is this square lens cap. So it is quite possible that if your lens attracts some damage, then you do not need to replace the lens, because replacing the lens of a camera means replacing the camera itself. So instead of that, what you can do is just replace the square lens cap, which I will show in the video how to do it. It's not a very easy process, it's a bit tricky, so watch carefully what to do. So what you have to do here is hold it like this, and then pull it forward, and while keeping it stretched, while pulling it forward, you have to turn it anti-clockwise. That's what you have to do. Now remember, do not use too much of force because it might cause it to break, and if you put in too little of force, then it won't open. So you have to pull it like this and then turn it anti-clockwise. See, it has opened, and then pull it to open it. And this is the replacement lens cover that I have purchased from Amazon. I will leave a link to this product in the description below, so you can follow that link to purchase it. And so now, in order to put it back, what you have to do is put the replacement lens cover in this fashion, in a cross position, and then press it down gently and turn it clockwise. It's now complete. The lens cap has been replaced. That's it. Now while carrying out this process, what you have to remember is that it's not about force but all about the technique that you use. Even I had to try it for about a week to get it right. I watched other videos on YouTube or read articles on how to do it, and then I was finally able to do it properly. More so if it is a new camera, then the lens cap is supposed to be pretty tightly fixed. Then as it grows old, then might be it automatically becomes a bit loose, as normally happens with other things that have that become slightly loose at the joints as they grow old. And you have to be pretty careful as well, because if you happen to break the locks that are inside, then you will be stuck. You will neither be able to open it nor be able to replace it with the replacement cover that you have purchased. So I hope you like the video, and if you like, please do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get updates on the new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.
Can't believe how crazy I am.